Oh, he's coming in quick here. He's coming in quick. Will he win? Will he win? Anyway, facts about the aerial Latin. Did you know? Did you know that the aerial Latin is the fastest road car? You probably all like, what? Well, it is. It is. Just alright. So don't get negative about it, yeah? You may be thinking, oh no, it's a Ferrari, it's a Lamborghini, it's a Bugatti. That's bull crap. Okay. The fact, very expensive. I'm going to think of a pun actually. I have nothing. I seriously don't have nothing in the world. Nothing in the world. Anyway, if this is the first video you've seen by me, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and that will let me know that you want more videos just like this. Or Minecraft, Call of Duty, GTA, Watch Dogs 2. You never know what I'm gonna play, you really just don't know. Anyway, see you later. That was a small little